doing this on my own. Then I start to remember just why I surrendered. Felt so good that I can't let go. And I'm back to where I was again. Take you in as you take me out. Cut this string, I'm getting higher and I can't seem to calm down. Tell me, how can I wait? Tell me, how can I take a chance on it all? Cut this string, I'm getting higher and I can't seem to calm down. Shapeshift, you deceive me, make me think that I need more from you than you will give out. Why can't I just listen? I create my prison.